Hello everyone. Today I will answer some question about HTML and CSS. Question number 1. What is the difference between a div and a span? The div and span are both HTML container elements, but they are used differently. A div is a block level element. It takes up the full width available and starts on a new line. It is mainly used to group larger sections of a web page, such as headers, cards, and layouts. On the other hand, a span is an inline element. It only takes up as much space as its content and stays on the same line. It is mainly used to style or target a small part of text. Question number 2. What is the CSS box model? And explain content, padding, border, and margin. Okay. What is the CSS box model? Every HTML element is treated as a rectangular box. This is called the box model. It has 4 parts: content, padding, border, margin. Content is the actual text, image, or other content inside the element. Padding is the space between the content and the border. Border is the line that surrounds the padding and content. Margin is the space outside the border that separates the element from other elements. Question number 3. What is the difference between a CSS class and ID? And when should you use one over the other? Okay. A class and an ID are both used to select HTML elements in CSS. A class can be used on multiple elements. It is written with a dot, and ID should be unique and used only once on a page. It is written with a hash. Summary: I use a class when I want to apply the same style to multiple elements. I use an ID when I need to style or identity on unique element. And question number 4. What is flexbox and what's the difference between justify content and align items? Flexbox is a CSS layout system that makes it easy to align and arrange elements. There are two important properties: justify content and align items. Justify content. Align items along the main axis. By default, this means horizontally. Means justify content x-axis. On the other hand, align items along the cross axis. By default, this means vertically. Align items y-axis. Question number 5. What is the difference between position, relative, absolute, and fixed in CSS? These properties control how elements are positioned. Position relative keeps the element in the normal document flow but allows it to move from its original position using properties like top, left, right, or bottom. Position absolute removes the element from the normal document. So it is positioned relative to the nearest ancestor that has a position other than static, usually a parent with position relative. Position fixed also moves the element from the normal document, so but it is positioned relative to the browser window. It stays in the position place even when the page is scrolled.